Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by prepping both tool and sticky note so the trick works reliably. Clean the nail cutter blades and dry them. This improves adhesion and prevents contamination. Take 1 or 2 sticky notes, adhesive edge intact, and align the pad so it covers the blade where you'll cut. About 1/8 inch overlap is ideal. Once done, press firmly along the adhesive to secure it, because a stable guide prevents slipping while you make controlled trim. Now you'll convert the sticky note into a visual and physical guide. Use a pen to draw the exact cut line on the exposed paper so you know where to stop. This helps avoid overcutting. Next, fold the note into a small tab that sits against the nail edge to set consistent depth. This gives you tactile feedback as you cut. Once positioned, test on a single nail, make sure the guide doesn't shift and that the cutter opens and closes smoothly. Finish by trimming each nail using the sticky note guide, making short, steady snips and watching the marked line. Replace the note after 2 to 3 nails or sooner if the adhesive fails, because a loose guide leads to uneven cuts. If you do miscut, realign the note and take a smaller amount next time. For minor roughness, file gently to smooth edges. One key troubleshooting tip: if the note peels, re-clean the blade and use a fresh note to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.